morning, guys. Today is Thursday, and today is my first day to be officially unemployed. Hindi ko na kinaya yung job ko, guys. So, kahapon yung last day ko. Pero, tumambay na ako ng mga ilang araw kasi hindi na talaga ako pumasok. Tire-reject na talaga ng katawan ko yung pumasok dun sa work. Parang ayaw na talaga ng katawan ko, mga B, na pumunta doon. Kaya di ko na kinaya. Sabi ko kay Josawa, kailangan ko nang mag-apply ng leave. So, ayun na nga, mga B. Tambay na tayo. Ang sarap pala, sabi ko nga kapag, ang sarap pala maging tambay. Ang tagal-tagal ko matulog, tapos ang tagal-tagal ko lang gumising, tapos pagkagising ko kain lang, tapos budging talaga. Napagod na talaga ako. Winter pa. Ang lamig. So sabi ko, magpapahinga muna ako siguro talaga. Nagbago yung isip ni Josawa today. Hindi nga siya pumasok kasi may lakad din siya maya-maya. Pero sabi niya, instead of waiting till July 30th for these boxes to be shipped, why don't we just send it to LBC today? So yun nga, ang ginawa niya is, binuhat niya talaga lahat ng boxes, pinagkasya na dyan sa kotse, pakita ko later. And then pupunta na lang kaming LBC ngayon, naliligo pa siya, ako magbibihis na. Ayan na siya, ayan. So, naka-jeans lang ako, naka-turtleneck ako, napaka-basic lang ng outfit natin, pero napaka-comfy. Ayan. Grabe, may outfit. Yan. Pumayat na ako kung texture. Pumayat at tumaba. Yan. Gusto ko talaga ma-turtleneck, guys. Kiling talaga ito yung turtleneck is bagay sa akin. Okay. Ayan na, guys. So, ganyan na yung ganap ko. Kung hindi kasi talaga ako mahilig mag-book up, guys. So, I'm just gonna add like my serum. Nagbibihis ulit si Josawa. Hirap pala ng may asawa, guys, no? Nagawa niya talagang katulong pa araw-araw, no? Tagasunod ng mga kalat niya. Ito na ba yung sinasabi nila, kinakatulong tayo ng mga afambi? Some people say the foreigner husbands treat their Filipino wives as housemates or slaves.
Really?
Yeah. What's your opinion about it?
Is there a warranty?
What do you warranty? Parang tanga ko. Hindi ko rin yung tawa araw-araw mga. What is warranty? What are you fucking talking about?
A warranty, if something is not working, you can take it back for 100 days.
Is it true that foreigner husbands, especially these Western white men like you, treat us Filipino wives as your housemaids, not your wives?
Absolutely not.
What do you mean not? I feel like
Maybe if they
treated as a katulong every day na.
maybe if they are stay at home every day or something, maybe they would have to do that.
What do you mean they have to do that?
Well, like what else are they doing if they're at home? They're gonna clean, right?
So you're expecting your stay-at-home
I don't know.
wife
My wife
to do
doesn't
all
stay at
cleaning?
home. She goes to shopping all the time.
Is that true?
No, I didn't do any washing today because I went to the shopping. Oh, okay. I went to Savers. I went to Westfield. I went to.
Baby, that's not true.
Isn't it?
Never ako nananalo sa asawa ko. Parang smart niya makipag-argue. What, you done?
Yeah.
Show them your OOTD na. Ayan yung itsura ni Josawa ngayon, oh. Ganyan siya mag-OOTD. Kaloka. So, life as tambay dito sa Australia. I'm actually loving it, guys. I really enjoy it. Kasi alam niyo ba, nung dumating ako dito sa Australia, after 3 days, nag-work na agad ako, guys. Naging casual na agad ako, no? So, ang dami ko na agad na mga ganap. Tapos nag-aral agad ako. I'm still studying. But for higher qualifications now. So, but yeah, yun nga. Sipag ko nung dumating ko dito kasi nag-work agad ako. Kahit casual, may pera agad na pumapasok sa account ko, dahil nagbukas agad ako ng bank account. Ganyan talaga, no? Kahit afam yung mga asawa natin, guys, kailangan talaga may sarili tayong andaw, eh. Kailangan may masarili tayong anda, kailangan may masarili tayong ganap, may sarili tayong pera. Kasi kahit nasabihin mo sobrang bait ng afam mo, kung wala kang pera, wala kang say. Alam mo yun? Wala kang freedom. Having your own hard-earned money is freedom and security for you as a Filipina. Kahit na mababait yung mga asawa nyo, sikapin nyo pa din na mag-ipon at magtabi ng pera. Kasi pagka nagkandaletsya-letsya ang buhay, letsya-letsya talaga, diba? You're good. You're fine. You can just do whatever you want. You can just leave whenever necessary. Ganyan. You can always leave all situations you do not like and you do not agree with or you do not live with, because you have your own source. You have your own money. So anyway, pipit-pitin ko na lang to, no? So I'm gonna use, yan ang yung itsura ko, oh. And I think I'm gonna use this one. Yan. So pag naglagay daw kayo ng pabangong mga isang spray lang dito, ganyan. Isang spray dito sa likuran ng mga tenga nyo. Tapos, one spray dito sa damit nyo. Tapos, ayan na naman. Hindi mo kailangang i-rub, no? Kasi mawala yung totoo niyang amoy. So, this one is really my favorite. And this is this is also my everyday pabango. Like, going to work, ganyan, doing errands. So, this is so good. This is my final look for today. Shucks. I like it. Yung buhok ko, kasi nga, kakariban ko lang, diba? Ito na yung buhok ko. Ang soft na niya. Hindi na nga ako hindi ko na nga ito blinower, hindi ko na ito plinansya. As in, ganyan na talaga siya. Naligo lang ako, ganyan. Tapos, ayan yung buhok ko. Pinagligo ko lang. Pinag-shampoo ko lang. Ay, bongga. So, anyway, super happy na nagpa-reband ako lately. Hindi talaga ako nagsisi. Super worth it talaga siya. So, ayan, I'm planning to maintain my hair na from now on. And, ayan, let's go. We're now going to LBC. Originally, we actually booked a pickup online. But, because that's gonna take long, and hindi pumasok si Jusawa today, sabi niya, dadalhin na lang namin sa LBC. No? Then, we'll show you what to do, paanong gawin, paano mag-send, magkano babayaran, anong ganap, ganyan. So, madali lang naman, guys. It's really that easy. It's not too complicated for as long as you have the boxes sealed and packaged well. Then, you have all the papers needed, and then it's paid, then that's just it. Ito lang saglit sa Jusawa kasi magpapagas siya. Ayan. Ayan na yung mga boxes namin, no? Puti nilang nagkasya dyan sa likuran ng kotse. But, kailangan naming i-reseal maya pagdating namin dun sa LBC. Yes, ito na pala yung LBC, guys. Oh, ang dami nung ayan si Jusawa. What are you gonna do? Oh, kasi nasira yung yung bottom ng box. Oh my God, need to fix it. Kailangan talaga siya, seal siya, guys, kasi nasisira siya. Oh. Grabe. Nabilib talaga ako kay Jusawa. Nakayanan niya yung bit-bitin from kwarto from bahay to this car. How about the other one? This other box is fine. The other box is fine. All done. Tapos kukunin ni Kuya. Sabi niya, i-vlog ko daw. While, lalagay niya sa container. Kukunin na yan ni Kuya. Ayan. Sige, sige. Galing naman. Wala si Josawa. Babayad na siya doon. Talaga. Kaya nga po, ang dami oh.
It's up to you. Whatever you want to say.
Wow. 300 boxes in one container. Ganda pala.
That's the odd size.
Yeah. Galing. Talagang discount guys pagka dalawa. Eh, ito ipapakita natin yung ano. Magiging discounts nyo. Nahiya pa ako dun guys. We're done. Hi, grabe. So, how much was our discounts?
$10.
Diba? Naka-discount pa kami kasi binitbit namin dito.
Wait, no more.
We have to call the number online to cancel our pickup.
You still have the phone number?
Guys, nagawa din namin. Ganyan ang kabilis. Ano pa ba? Pwede din kayo mag-insurance. Pwede nyo din lagyan ng insurance which is 2% daw doon sa value, sabi ni Kuya. What else? Ganyan lang. Natuwa ako. Ang bait ni Kuya kasi pinakita niya sa atin paano ilagay sa container yung mga boxes. Ang daming boxes, no?
Oh,
If that container has 300 boxes.
he said usually
Grabe.
they will do like 2 container in a week. But last week they
Two.
did 4 in 1 week.
Wow. Ang dami pala talaga nagsasend ng balikbayan box from Australia to Philippines, no? It's really good. Then, napaka-safe pa ng boxes niyo. Kaya, I really like LBC. Proven and tested na. So, ayun lang. Pauwi na kami. Where are we gonna go next? We're gonna get some food because I'm actually hungry. Nahiya ako kasi tinatanong nila, vlogger ka ba? Vlogger ka ba? Sabi ko, hindi naman kakasimula ko lang po. I just want to educate people asking about balikbayan box. Ayan. Thank you, LBC.